years ago, there was no concept of synchronized favorites. I think if you remember, we saved the favorites in our machine, and they live there and die there. We never keep their backups or something. But now the world has changed. You can now use a website which is called Delicious or something. You can go and subscribe there and save your favorites there. Advantage is that these favorites will be available to any other member who's also on this website. So if somebody is searching for social networking and I've saved my link there, he can search about it. And there is RSS feed out of it, there is news feed about it, and you can read what people are tagging, what people are saying, oh, this is something important. Okay, so these are some. But now, before I go to online social networking, let me just give you some overview, the things that you should be careful about. There is a problem with online, this problem was there when we started using internet, that people become predators. Anybody knows what predator means in an online way? Predator. Have anybody seen the movie The Predator? What is predator? Predator means someone act like someone who is not. For example, when I go to internet, I become a female. So I start chatting with others as a female. I present myself someone else, which I'm not. Okay, and I start making friendships to make other fools. Somehow, initially, you may start doing it for fun, But now, after 10 years or 15 years of internet, from 95 to now, internet has become a little dangerous. But dangerous. It is dangerous. I think a couple of days ago, I heard a news that somebody, I don't know whether I should say it here or not, but killed a female who was using Facebook to chat with others, a man, and when they met in person, the guy stabbed her. She was killed. So what Facebook did, they add something in their website to tell the Facebook guys that this guy is not good or he's not real. So be careful when you go to these sites. There are millions of sites in this world. You go, you make friends, but you don't know who he really is. You start sending him messages, you start sending him calls, or you start sending him links or something, you're sharing stuff, but be careful.
Yes, sir. Is it dangerous more than our world, normal world?
Yeah, but in our world, you know the person from the beginning. If you see someone,
Seems,
you know him. Okay, this guy is, I can see Akram, and he seems very simple guy. I know him, but he will not have a gun in his back. But on the internet world, you don't know who is he, whether he is Akram or he's someone else. Okay, maybe he's a guy who works for a gang, but on the internet he's like the polite guy in the world. So when you meet him, he's sitting with 20 people who have guns in their pulse. So it's important that you try to keep the internet way on the internet. Make sure that the guy you are talking to is the one that you are talking to. Then go next level. If you are going next level to this relationship, make sure you talk to him more than once, 4 times, 5 times, call him on phone, discuss and know who he is. Then you make any in-person meetings or something. But this is just all stuff. But the thing is, we have many sites now which present social networking. The biggest one, which everyone like, and most probably it will be blocked in most of our offices in government organizations, is YouTube. Okay, YouTube is the biggest one. You will be amazed to know this statistics. I think 40 million videos every day streamed for people. People go upload their videos, 40 million videos per day. Look at the data center that Google has. Fine, it's the biggest and the very, very interesting site on the internet. Anytime I go and search about anything, search about SharePoint, there will be something. I search a song, millions of people have uploaded the song. I think there are very, very few times in my life when I search anything on YouTube and I didn't find a video. Okay, it's possible that person is uploading anything, and you are free. You can upload your video, upload it there. It's available to everyone. People can comment on it, they can share it to other people. Facebook, around 350 million active users. And according to Facebook, 50% of the users log in every day. Okay, it's a big number. half of the people, around 175 million people log into Facebook. This is amazing stuff. Twitter, it goes beyond it because it's very, very simple way of chatting with someone, talking to others, and sending your message to the world. Is 22 billion 9 million people registered for Twitter. Twitter is the easiest way to communicate. You can just go and write a message, I'm doing this and I'm facing this problem. This is the solution. Enter, it will go to thousands of the world. Anybody can search on it and get the solution. Wikipedia, it has around 3,150,000 approximately articles. How many times you search something in Google and Wikipedia comes up? All the time. Almost all the times. If you search anything out of the world, A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, it will come. Last night my son was standing on my laptop and he searched, he was typing, enter. I saw a message from Wikipedia and it was saying alphabetics, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. It was amazing. I was just watching it and my son always played with my laptops, searching Google. So I asked, please Google this. So he searched JHQPE and something just returned from there. So this is amazing stuff. This is something that we need. One place of accessing the information. Then there are more, MySpace, Delicious, Flickr, WordPress. These are the sites which are changing the world. I had some numbers, but I didn't show it. It will be too much if I talk about it. But like Flickr, it has billions of images. Billions of images uploaded. Go upload your image, you will see millions of messages coming to you. Great image. My friends, I have a few friends who are photographers. They upload their image and send us the link. We see, it's amazing stuff. People give very, very valuable comments. So these are all about social networking. Any question until now? Any confusion?
Can you make YouTube videos private?
No. You upload it. It's available to everyone.
I can have it for exclusive group.
I'm not a big fan. I don't upload videos a lot, but maybe if you, this is what we are talking about in the next slide. Why? Because this is where the value will come. Let's say I have a company who makes some training videos, and they want to upload it, but don't want to give to everyone. So this is where Google, the strategy of the YouTube owner will come. Will he provide us the means to privatize some information out of it? Can I share a video with my colleagues only and not with anyone?
Recently, I think I saw a link while you're trying to upload a video in your profile. I saw option public or private.
Yes.
I'm
So
not
maybe
sure.
there is a link like this. And this is what is available in SharePoint. Thank God. In SharePoint, I can specify that only these people will see it. Okay? But I'm not talking about the videos factor. I think this is done through security in SharePoint, But publicly, it's not possible to hide anything. I can hide, on YouTube you don't have any friends. Okay? But on Facebook you have friends. You can say I can share it with my friends or friends of friends, but not outside world. Fine? So we will look into this question in detail. These are the social networking sites available. Okay? You can see how many. And you know what? It's not only one language. Don't consider one language there. These sites are available multilingual. There is a site for Arabic, English, Italian, French. Everywhere in the world, people are using different languages for social networking. And you will be amazed that 40% of the users who are using social networking are above 40 years of age. This is something very, very, I will not say, my uncle is sitting on computer and having a relationship with somebody who's sitting in US. So this is what it gives you. I have like 400 friends on Facebook. Half of them are not in the, here in Saudi. Half of them are in somewhere in Pakistan, India, China, everywhere in the world. And what you can do with them, I can start talking to them and say, can you share something about your culture? Can you share what your language